You will cash out real money for yourself few minutes after watching this video. I mean huge amount of money. I am going to be sharing with you this secret website that nobody is talking about, which I have been earning from in the past few days. This is one website that in few minutes you can earn a lot of money for yourself if you simply do all that is required for you to do on this website. Right on your screen is a payment from this website. A PayPal payout of $137.50 that I made from this website in few days. So this is something that is absolutely legal and something that will give you a lot of money if you put in few hours, okay? So what you saw was a payout. Results are not typical. You can even earn more than that if you engage more on this website, because I'm always looking for opportunities to bring you my subscribers, so I don't really engage more. That money you saw was earned in few days. The payment is in PayPal. I had to withdraw through PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account or your country does not really accept PayPal, do not worry. I'm going to show you how you can create a PayPal that will work for your country. No matter the country you are, even if your country does not accept PayPal. Now, if you're just coming across my video for the first time, my name is Chidi and I welcome you to Wealthy Mindsets with Chidi. On this channel, all I share is information on how you can make money on the online space. So hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also turn your notification bell on to always get updated when I upload content that can possibly make you money online legitimately. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. Now, I'm going to mention the name of this website, and if I mention the name of this website and then you rush to go check it out without learning how it actually works, you are going to end up disappointed, frustrated, and confused, and then you come back here to say that it does not work. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video. Let me teach you about everything you need to know on how you can earn money from this website. The name of the website is schoolserver.com. schoolserver.com. So when you log on to schoolserver.com, this is what the interface looks like, and it is available worldwide. Right on the home page, it says the marketplace for school projects. Now, this is where students come to ask questions that has been given to them in form of homework. You are going to earn money from it, okay? All subjects are featured, ranging from algebra, mathematics, calculus, and even business. So when you answer questions on this website, you'll be paid for each question that you answer. You may be thinking, what if they ask me a question that I cannot answer? So you don't need to worry at all, because you are going to be using an AI tool called ChatGPT. Now, you must have heard about it. It is a software or an app that you can ask questions and ChatGPT will answer you, give you the answer to that question. So what you'll be doing on this website is, when you are asked a question, you simply go to ChatGPT, you ask your questions, and when it answers that question, you simply copy the question and go back to the website and paste it there. And then you earn money for yourself. And if you think that the answer that ChatGPT has given to you looks like a copyright, you can simply head over to this website called Spinboat. When you get to Spinboat, Spinboat will write the answer for you, and then you still copy, and then you head over to schoolserver.com and paste your answers there, and you still earn money for yourself without even stressing yourself to get answers. So this is exactly the method I use to earn money from this website, and I'm sharing it with you now. So looking at your screen right now, it is telling you that students who visit this website will get help from expert tutors. You don't need to bother yourself on becoming an expert. I myself, I am not an expert in any subject, but I'm earning from this website, right? So in a real sense, you don't have to be an expert before you can enroll as a tutor and start earning money here. All you need to do is to position yourself as an expert, which I'm going to show you how. With it, you will be able to earn money for yourself. So when you're going to register, this website does not require you bring any document for any academic qualification. So you do not necessarily need to be a college graduate for you to earn money on this website. Now I'm going to walk you through on how to register on this website. So when you log on to this website, you locate the 3 dotted line at the top of the page at the right hand corner of the page. You click on it and it will take you to the interface you have on your screen right now, where you have home, ask a question, users, support frequently asked questions, and the rest. Simply click on register and this interface here will pop up. This is an application form for you to apply. You simply input your username. Now, when it comes to username, I'm going to teach you how you can maximize your earnings on this platform. When it comes to username, you shouldn't use your real name. You want to use the name that reflects your expertise and area of intelligence so that people can trust you and pay money for your answers, and then you earn from this website. For example, right on your screen is a display of the highest earner on this website. You can see that the first highest pay has earned $31,804 and his name is Expert Solution, and the second one here is PhD level writer. So you want to give yourself a username that will make people trust you as an expert. So after filling your username, you want to fill in your email and make sure your email is valid, because it is in your email that questions will be sent when questions drop for you on this platform. So after inputting your email, you input your password and make sure your password is a strong one. So after doing that, you identify that you are not a robot by clicking on the box. And then you go ahead and choose your user type. So there are 2 options here, students and tutors. You go ahead and choose the tutor because you are going to be answering questions on this platform. When you're done, you put in your referral code if you were referred to this website. But if no one referred you, you can leave the space blank and go ahead and click on finish registration, and this interface will pop up that tells you that your account is ready. Now when you're done registering, the next thing you want to do is to set up your account, because if you don't set up your account, you are not going to earn from this platform. And if you try to answer question here, this particular message will pop up that requires that you answer quizzes and school server rules. Okay, so you want to make sure that you set up your account. To set up your account, you simply go to that 3 lines again and click on it. So when you click on it, you will find out that the register button has been replaced with your username. So you just simply click on your username and it will bring you to this interface. So it requires that you put in your profile picture. So when you're putting your profile picture, make sure that the picture looks professional. When you're done with that, you put in your first name, you write a little description about yourself. You tell them that you are an expert in a particular subject category. So when it comes to earning on this website, I advise you choose the business subject category, because as you can see on your screen, the latest answers to questions are mostly on business category. So when you choose the subject of business, the chances of having questions to answer will be very high, and that will translate to a lot of money for you, right? So now go ahead and tell them that you are an expert in business management or education, so they can trust you to ask you questions and you answer them. So when you're done doing that, you scroll down to where you have the account balance. You can see add fund button. So this is where you will have to add fund to your account in order for you to access questions that you will answer. And the withdraw button is where you withdraw your money when you earn money on this website. And the transaction button is where you track your transaction history. Now moving forward, you will see a category of quizzes. They will ask you questions in any area or subject you choose. So when you choose the area of business and you are asked any question you don't know how to answer, you simply go to ChatGPT and get the answer. You can get the app from your Play Store. Just simply download Chatbox AI, so you can always use it when the need arises. You also set your notification category so that when questions are sent to you on this platform, the least you can get delayed is 1 hour and not 1 week or 1 month. You get notified as soon as possible for you to answer that question. And then you go ahead to put in your PayPal account details or Bitcoin wallets. And if you don't have a PayPal account or your country does not accept PayPal, I'll be leaving a video link down below the description where you will be directed on how to create a working PayPal irrespective of where you are. Even if the country that you are does not accept PayPal, just go through that video and it will give you clues on how you can create a working PayPal account. So when you are done with filling this form, you click on Save. And the next is how to answer questions on this platform. You also go back to that 3 lines and click on it, and then you access questions there. And then you click on Answer Questions. Then you scroll down a bit, you are going to see questions that need urgent answer. So you go ahead and click on any of them to simply answer those questions. So for each answer you submit, no student is permitted to access it onto that student page. Now, out of the money they will pay you, this platform will take a commission of 20%. Likewise when you withdraw as well. So guys, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. So until my next video, it is bye.